How to do pan effect on still image with dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added an image to my timeline. Click on the drop-down at the bottom of Viewer and select Dynamic Zoom. Now a red and a green box is added to the viewer. The green is the initial state, and the red is the last state. Move the green to the far right and adjust its size. Adjust the size of the red box to be the same as the green box, and put it to the left side of the green box. And now we have this pan effect. We also can create this effect by using keyframes. Click on the dynamic zoom icon to remove the two boxes. Then select the image, open up Inspector panel and disable dynamic zoom. Increase the zoom and change position values until you zoomed into the right side of the image. Click on keyframe next to position to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the image and increase position X value to create the second keyframe. Now we created a pan effect using keyframes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.